I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete songs from your YouTube Music listening history. Step 1. Open the YouTube Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon on this screen. The account menu opens. Step 2. Tap History in this menu. You'll see all of the songs you've listened to on YouTube Music. Step 3. Find the song you want to delete from your listening history and then tap the vertical ellipses associated with that song. A menu opens. Step 4. Tap Remove from History. That song will be deleted from your YouTube Music listening history immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.